Hey guys, welcome back in the course. In this lecture I will teach you how you can select the data from the table and can display on the page, on the same page basically. This one I'm talking about now. Let's come here and just simply add a table here, table, and its align will be, no, align is okay. Width will be is equal to 500 pixels. BG color will be is equal to orange, and border will be is equal to 2 pixels. Now the same data I want to show here from the database, from the table. I want to show that on the page. So the table is a tag for creating a table in HTML, and you can add some attributes like width is 500. You can increase or decrease it. BG color, background color will be orange, and it will have a border of 2 pixels. Now inside the table we can create TR. TR means table row, and inside the TR we can add TH or TD, table data. So the first will be TH, and we will add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 or 6 TH. These are just for headings, for seeing what is the data inside that. The first will be serial number of the data, serial number of the data. The next will be the name of the person we have in the table, inside the MySQL table. Next will be password. The next will be basically email, and here we can say edit, and we can say delete. So these are the headings. If we want to edit or delete a record directly from the page, we can do that very easily. Now the next TR will be, in the next TR we'll add TDs, same like we have above. 6 TDs, 60 TH tags, so we will also add 6 TDs. Now just come here, refresh the page, and you can see serial number, name, password, email, edit and delete. This is all nice. I can add a BR tag here, to make a little bit space. That's it. Now we want to show the user details here, and simply start the PHP code here and say, because we already have connection on the same page, create a local variable select, and this will be equal to, here we will write the SQL query select all. For all we use the steric sign, this one, the steric or the multiply sign. And now we say, because we are running now the select query, select all from users. That's it. Very nice, simple. The next will be run is equal to MySQL I underscore query, that will have 2 parameters, connection and this select. Now here we will run a while loop. As I told you about while loop, that we can add something here, a condition, and then we can run, we can repeat that thing, because if we don't run a while loop here, we will just get one result from our database. But we want to run a while loop, so we will get all the records inside our table in the database. So first of all, inside the condition for this while loop, we will create a new variable called row, which will be equal to MySQL I underscore fetch array. This is a function basically itself. This is a function. In this function we will say run. We say this run local variable which has a query, and query is this one, select all from the users, and that is now here in the run. We have run that. We say in the while loop, inside that we have a local variable row in which we have saved the MySQL underscore fetch array function, and we have given the run query as a reference. We say to this function which is MySQL fetch array, we say make an array of this variable, make an array, so we can simply get the data one by one from the array. So first we will get an ID. ID will be equal to row, and the position we can target either by 0 as I told you in the arrays section, or we can directly add the name of that column which is in the database. I'm talking about this ID, name, pass and email. We can give the name directly or numeric value position like 0, 1, 2 like that. But here this is very easy to do, because and this is very easy and good practice to add the names, because you know the names and you cannot be confused with the numbering. So when we have made this run query as an array using this function, and that is saved inside the row local variable, so therefore I said I created a local variable again and said this will be equal to that array which is here, and the record number 1, and this all is inside the while loop. So that's mean the data will be actually repeated again as many data is there. Next variable I will create the row name, which will be equal to row, which will be is equal to row name from the table. Third one will be pass is equal to, or I can say here user underscore ID, user underscore name, user underscore pass is equal to row pass, and user underscore email is equal to row email. So that's mean we have got what we want from the table using this very easy or simple query, and then we have just added the while loop, and then inside that using the MySQL fetch array we have made an array of that table of that query, and then we are getting or required information from here. But we will not close this curly bracket here. This is of this while loop. We will not close it here. The reason is because we need to run the while loop throughout this whole tr tag, so we want to repeat or this again and again. Therefore we will close this below the closing tr tag. I mean we'll add a PHP script tag, then only one curly bracket. That's mean we have closed the while loop here. If we don't close it here, we will get only one record. Now the next thing is just use PHP echo, and first of all echo user underscore ID. So what we are doing here, just let me again tell you that using PHP echo statement we are echoing the user ID which is inside the database. So we are actually displaying that in the TD dynamically using the PHP script. I will copy this, we'll paste it here, we'll paste it here, and we'll paste it here as well. We'll change this one to username, this to pass, and this to email. I hope you understood this whole thing. Very easy. Selected the data, then while loop, then MySQL fetcher. This is array. Now we have variables out there, and now we have echoed them all here one by one, and we have just closed the the while loop here because we want to repeat this tr again and again. As many data is there, many records are there. Now just come back, refresh the page, and you can see serial number, name, password, email, edit and delete etc. If you want to make it center align, then align is equal to center to this tr. Control S to save. Fetch the page. These are now center align. As I told you, if you remove this from here and close this while loop here above and save the page, you will only get one record, you know, the last one, John Doe, John. But if you close it here, just close the curly bracket here, save the page and see all the records. If you insert one more person, for example Tom at tom.com, click and you can see Tom here as well, and also in the table here Tom. That's very nice and easy thing. Now in the next thing is to add two links over here. Ahref is equal to the same page, I mean this one, form.php, and we will say edit and Ahref close, I mean the link close, and I will just copy this whole link and will paste it here and change the text to delete. Control S to save. Now refresh the page. So see here, there are two links. One is edit with each the record here, one is edit and one is delete. So I want, if I click the edit option, so I can edit, I mean I can edit basically any of the record here below, or if I click delete, so I should be able to delete anything from here. I can delete or edit here as well in this interface, but I don't want here because I don't like this. I just want a simple interface on the browser and I want to do my work from here. So yes, that is possible and we can do that very easily. We can update or edit any of the record and we can delete them as well. So this is all of the these are all the topics in our upcoming lectures of this course. So see you in next lecture, where we will work on the delete function to delete any record we want, and I will tell you how easily you can do that.